a big boss.
All right, we're back.
And they say that if their demands are not met within 24...
Part 2. The original Metal Gear Solid. Yeah, this one. Here, let me get the lights turned off. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay, let's go. So, in last episode, we saved the DARPA chief. Then he just died. Like, he died on the spot here, but we don't know why. He just kind of like he had a heart attack is what we think so far. Oh yeah. The annoying part about this game is the key card. You have to like hold it for it to work with doors. In all the other games, you don't have to specifically be holding it. I don't know if I can get it, but I think I have the right key card. Damn cameras. Yay, I got a cardboard box. So now I can run around like this. How loving the cardboard box. It's kind of funny. I think I already got it. Yeah, I'm not gonna go get that. Someone saw me. Well, the security camera was in. It also has button delay, so if my performance is looking pretty bad, that's one of my reasons. I'm also just really not the best at all at Metal Gear games. They're pretty fun. Like right there, I think that was button delay that caused that. Or it's just the technology. Okay, good. This is level 1. Yeah, I did not mean to move that far forward. Alright, see, now my SOCOM has a suppressor on it. And I can shoot it without them hearing me. Shit, I don't know which way they're gonna go. This game is such a classic. I kind of diss on it a little bit, like as a joke with my family. But it is, ever since I've started this series, like last week, this game is just, I don't know, it's just so nostalgic. There's something about it. C4. Yeah, most of these doors you can't open yet. It's kind of mean. So, here's something I didn't know when I first played it. Apparently in the trailer for this game, it shows Snake like this, running with the gun out. But it never tells you how to do that, so you just assume for the whole game you can't. Like here's just normal gun, like I can't move. But if you hold, like I'm on Switch right now, if you hold Y and B, it lets you move. Y is attack. For story reasons, I'm gonna call Colonel.
The walls that were cemented over should look slightly different. Look at the walls carefully in first-person view mode. Try to find the walls that have a different pattern.
Did you try hitting the wall? Maybe it'll sound different too.
Those C4 explosives you've got should be able to destroy the walls that were cemented over.
Thank you, Colonel. Alright, here's one. I forgot how to do this. So those had like a different texture cement on them, which is how I knew. Or there's one more, so also on that one the sound difference. Right here, if you, that's a cemented wall, then this is a normal wall. Oh yeah, I was clicking the wrong button. Oh, well, my radar's jammed. Oh, there it is. Get a chaff grenade because oh crap, that's what I was worried about. And I only have two? Oh, whatever. Here we go.
Am I too late? He's alive. You're the Arms Tech president, Kenneth Baker, right? Don't worry. I'm here to save you.
No, don't touch it.
C4.
That was pretty badass.
Right. Touch that wire, and the C4 will blow up along with the old man. So you're the one that the boss keeps talking about.
And you.
Special Operations Foxhound. Revolver Ocelot. I've been waiting for you, Solid Snake.
He's one of my favorite
Now
characters.
we'll see if the man can live up to the legend. This is the greatest handgun ever made. The Colt Single Action Army. 6 bullets, more than enough to kill anything that moves. Now I'll show you why they call me Revolver.
So since now I know you can run with the gun, it's gonna make this
Draw!
fight way easier than it used to be. this fight took me forever for no reason. Like, this playthrough.
I love to reload during a battle. There's nothing like the feeling of slamming a long silver bullet into a well-greased chamber. All right.
Looking at my rations.
You better.
Can you not shoot me?
I love the smell of corn. You know, that sulfury smell.
I don't think I've never heard him say
But
that. Hiding won't help me.
wait a minute.
Wait, I'm out of ammo? You can run out of ammo in this? Why isn't it spawning in? There it is. Oh, I shot Baker. I'm out of ammo again. Yeah, not surprising I died. I gotta do this whole part again? Well, that's not very cool. Guess that works. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna skip his opening. Oh.
I'm alive. Let's go.
Oh, shit.
You idiot!
You idiot. There's a C4. This gets repetitive after a while, I know.
Hiding won't help you.
It won't help you. They're fully reloadable.
I love to reload during a battle. All right.
I'm kind of just hacking the system so I don't have to reload. Because, like, what you do is press R to get rid of it, and then R just to get back, and it's fully reloaded. If you have enough bullets.
You better hurry up.
The old man's gonna have to. Isn't gonna.
Wait a minute.
Oh, that was close. What?
Wait a minute.
There we go, we got him.
You're pretty good. Just what I expect from the man with the same code as the boss. It's been a long time since I had such a good fight, but I'm just getting warmed up. What? My hand!
I wonder who this is.
Stealth camouflage. Can't you even die right? You were lucky. We'll meet again!
He's just running away, holding his hand.
Who are you?
I like you. I have no name.
At least I'm not putting the twin snakes.
That exoskeleton.
Because there's a whole crazy fight scene in this part. Between them. Like Snake and
Who the hell? Can you talk?
Who are you?
I'll be right back.
I'm not one of them. The DARPA chief told me he gave them his detonation code. What about yours?
Oh, I get it. Jim sent you. You're from the Pentagon.
Answer my question. What about your code? There's no time.
I talked.
What? Now the terrorists have both codes and can launch any time.
It's not like I didn't fight. I managed to resist Psycho Mantis's mind probe.
He couldn't read you? How'd you do it?
Surgical implants in my brain.
Surgical implants?
Kind of like a psychic insulation. Everyone who knows these top secret codes has it.
Even the DARPA chief?
Of course.
But the DARPA chief said Mantis got his code by reading his mind.
Are you sure you heard him right?
Yeah, I'm sure. In that case, how did they get your code?
I never had any training on how to resist torture.
It looks like he had some fun with you, all right.
Oh, he's not human. I tell you, he loved every second of it.
What happened to your arm?
He broke it.
Looks like you're more than even now. His was sliced off.
Ha, you're a funny man. So the DARPA chief, is he okay?
Dead.
What? Can't be. You know, that's not what you promised, Jim. Now you want to shut me up?
Calm down. What's wrong with you? I just told you I was here to save you. I didn't kill the DARPA chief. He had a heart attack or something.
A heart attack? Oh, don't be a fool.
Anyway, the terrorists have both codes now.
Those boys are totally insane. They wouldn't hesitate to launch.
I agree, but what do they really want?
Oh, who knows? Maybe they're like us in the arms industry, always looking forward to the next good war.
Well, I'm not gonna let these maniacs start a war today. You still have the card keys?
Card keys?
To override the detonation code. I heard you had them.
No, not anymore.
What? Who does then? Not the terrorists.
No, that woman.
Woman? Who?
A soldier that was thrown in prison along with me.
A female soldier, it must be.
She said she had just joined up as a new recruit. They threw her in prison because she refused to take part in the rebellion.
A new recruit? Could that be the colonel's niece?
I gave her the key. Looks like she managed to break out of here, though. I hope she's okay.
I'm sure she is. She's green, but as tough as they come. But how did you know she escaped?
I was in contact with her by codec. Until I was tied up here, that is.
Kodak?
Yes, She stole it from the guard. If she still has it, you should be able to contact her.
I'm sure she still has it. What frequency was she at?
Oh, yeah. Let me tell you, it's...
Oh, okay.
Oh, sorry. I forgot.
Damn!
Oh, that's right. It should be on the back of the CD case. Try to
So
contact her.
when they
I'll
say
contact
that
her right away. But tell
on
me,
the
if this
original
doesn't work,
video
is
game
there
case
some other way to prevent the missile
and
launch?
this one, like the HD, on the back of it, it shows
You need to
Snake
find
talking
Hal
to Meryl
Emmerich, one of
over
my
codec, and
employees.
it shows her code
Who's
after
that?
The
I
team leader of the Metal
memorized
Gear Rex project. A genius at engineering.
Because I don't have
but a
the
little bit of an
case
oddball.
with me.
If there's anyone who can figure out how to stop Metal Gear from launching, it's him.
What if he can't come up with anything?
You'll have to destroy it. Emmerich knows how to destroy Metal Gear.
Where is this Emmerich?
Well, he's probably being held somewhere in the nuclear warhead storage building.
Oh,
It's
sorry.
north from here. That's where he worked.
I understand, but why Metal Gear? The nuclear age ended with the turn of the millennium.
Oh, you're wrong. The threat of nuclear war isn't gone. In fact, it's greater than it's ever been.
Oh,
The amount of spent nuclear fuel and plutonium is increasing even today. Listen, have you ever seen a warehouse full of nuclear material?
No.
Drums and drums of nuclear waste stacked this high, as far as you can see, because there's still no real way to dispose of the stuff.
So they just close the lid and try to pretend like it'll go away?
Essentially, yes. And they're not even doing a good job of storing it. Many of the drums are corroded, with nuclear waste seeping out of them.
Unbelievable.
it's not good.
Not only that, but several pounds of muff are reported every year.
Muff.
It stands for material unaccounted for. It proves that there's a large and well-organized black market in nuclear materials. Furthermore, since the end of the Cold War, Russian nuclear engineers in particular are out of work with no way to turn. In other words, there's plenty of available nuclear material and scientists for making a bomb. We live in an age when any small country can have a nuclear weapons program.
What about the other superpowers?
Russia and China still maintain a significant nuclear presence. Complete nuclear disarmament is an impossibility. To maintain our own policy of deterrence, we need a weapon of overwhelming power.
Sorry
You
for the
mean Metal
delay.
Gear?
Yes, you know our industry suffered quite a blow as a result of the cuts in military budgets due to this so-called peace.
I remember
Sorry,
hearing
that's
a lot
pretty
about
bright.
mergers and takeovers among the big weapons makers.
Yes, and after my company lost their bid to produce the Air Force's next line of fighter jet, the Metal Gear system was our last ace in the hole. That's why we pushed to have Metal Gear developed as a black project.
Black Project.
Secret projects paid for by the Pentagon's black budget. You can
I've
avoid a
seen the
lot of red
Pentagon.
tape and get a great lead time on your weapons production. And no one can bother you. Not even those bleeding heart liberals on the Military Oversight Committee.
Bribes.
I prefer to think of it as good business. Anyway, Metal Gear was going to be formally adopted after the results of this exercise were analyzed.
I don't give a crap about you and your company.
He means
Yes, that's about what I'd expect from a grunt like you. Here, this is what you came for, right?
What's that?
An optical disc. It's all here.
See, when I was
Main
playing
hard drive
this
was
for the
destroyed
first
by
time, when you
gunfire.
said, look at the back of the CD
This is
case,
the only remaining
I thought
copy
you were
of the
talking about
data.
that CD
What
case,
kind
and I
of
was trying to
data?
figure out how
All
to
the
use
data
it.
collected from this exercise.
And like,
Don't play
look at the
dumb.
back.
I know you were sent to get this. I hid it from that sadistic maniac while he was torturing me. They don't know this disc exists. Make sure you report this to Jim. To your boss. I'll give you my card, too. It'll open up all security level 2 doors.
Can you walk?
No. No, you go on without me. They got my password. They don't want anything else from me.
I have one more question. Who or what was that ninja thing? It looked like you knew something.
You're that
That
ninja.
ninja. That was Foxhound's dark little secret.
Dark little secret.
An experimental genome soldier.
You know him?
You should ask Dr. Naomi Hunter from Foxhound. She knows better than I.
Naomi.
You've got to stop them. If it goes public, my company and I are finished.
What? Doesn't Metal Gear use currently existing technology?
Uh-oh.
Metal Gear itself does, but...
Oh, the same thing's happening to the Armstead president. That happened to the DARPA chief.
Oh, no, it
I
can't
wonder
be.
what this is.
Those Pentagon bastards. So, they actually went in, did it.
What are you talking about?
They're just using you for...
What the hell?
Indeed, what the hell?
Colonel, are you listening? Now he's dead too.
I have no idea.
Don't lie to me.
It looked like another heart attack,
that's
but...
right.
Some kind of poison?
Well, there are lots of drugs that can cause a heart attack in large doses. For example, potassium chloride or dioxides, but we won't be able to tell without doing an autopsy.
Damn!
Snake, I want you and Meryl to work together.
Can I trust her?
More than you can trust me. Get in
Meryl
contact with
is
her.
his,
Snake, there's a lot of
niece.
electrical interference coming from there. It should be okay if you do burst transmission like us, but normal transmission is probably impossible. Try moving away from that area.
Snake, get a hold of yourself.
Naomi, what the hell was that ninja thing?
Ninja.
Member of Foxhound?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes, we have no one like that in our unit.
Is that right?
Snake, I'm counting on you.
Yeah, you gain health after each boss. Makes it a lot easier. What the heck? Why is there a level 4 door there? Because that's the door that's just on the outside. That's kind of stupid. Oh, and your guns hold more ammo with each fight. Like, now it holds... now I can carry 49, so common ammunition. And before I could only carry 25. Nobody's gonna call me. So, there's lasers. You have to crawl under them. I've shown it in my Metal Gear 2 playthrough that if you use the cigarettes, it will show the lasers. I do recommend watching this playthrough though before you watch the Metal Gear 2 playthrough for obvious reasons, because this is the first game. And it just explains a lot that happens in the second game. Uh-oh. You're that ninja. Okay, good, it's right there. Oh, wrong place. I'm at floor 1. Oops. Okay. I'm gonna call Meryl. I did not click the wrong thing. There we go.
Who are you?
I was really impressed with the way you busted yourself out of there.
The one from the prison?
You're the Colonel's niece, Meryl, right?
No, it's not him.
Just exactly who are you?
I'm the fool that your uncle sent all alone into the middle of this whole mess.
You came by yourself? You think you're some kind of one-man army?
I don't need lectures. You're just like your uncle, you know?
How do you know my uncle?
We go way back.
What's your name?
My name's not important.
Aha. Could you be Snake? Are you Solid Snake?
That's what some people call me.
The legendary Solid Snake? You? Sorry about before. I wasn't sure if you were one of the good guys.
But I knew you were.
How?
It's your eyes.
My eyes?
They're not soldiers' eyes.
And they're rookie's eyes, right?
No, they're beautiful, compassionate eyes.
Oh, just what I'd expect from the legendary Solid Snake. You trying to sweep me off my feet?
Don't worry, you'll land back on them once you meet me. The reality is no match for the legend, I'm afraid.
Oh, I don't believe that.
Why did you look so surprised when you saw my face?
Because you look just like him.
You mean the terrorist leader, Liquid Snake?
Yeah, you know him? You're not brothers, are you?
I have no family.
So what's the deal then?
Who knows? Why don't you ask him? But first I want some information. You were involved in this exercise from the beginning. What exactly happened here?
I'm sorry. I was captured along with President Baker right after the terrorist attack.
That's okay. But what is this place? I don't think it's just a nuclear weapons disposal facility.
Boy, oh boy, it's just like them. Nobody told you anything, did they? Okay, you see, this place isn't really for disposing nuclear weapons. This base is owned and operated by a dummy corporation of arms tech.
This is a civilian base?
Right,
Oh, I
for the
forgot
development
about
of
that.
Metal Gear.
Colonel,
Foxhound and the Next Generation Special Forces were called here for the test launching of a dummy nuclear warhead.
why Foxhound?
Because they're a special ops group used to handling top secret missions. They figured they could help keep it all hush-hush.
But we must have fired nuclear warheads before. Why just this time?
I heard it was because this was to be a final test before the formal adoption of the Metal Gear program. Well, that's what I heard anyway.
Sounds
This
kind
is
of
a
fishy.
kind of long code.
So what do you think the terrorists want?
Sorry, I'm not sure. I was captured with President Baker right after the revolt started.
Oh yeah, that's when he gave you the detonation code override keys, right?
That's right.
Amazing you were able to keep him hidden from the guards.
Well, women have more hiding places than men. Anyway, you met Baker, huh? How's he holding up?
He's dead.
What?
Heart attack. Same as the DARPA chief.
The chief died from a heart attack too?
Yeah. Was either of them sick or anything?
No, not that I heard of.
Well, I don't believe in coincidences. Something funny's going on.
Sounds like it, but I have no idea what.
Me neither. Yet. Do you know the person who designed Metal Gear?
You mean Dr. Emmerich?
Yes. Is he still alive?
How?
Probably. He should be in the research lab in the second floor basement of the nuclear warhead storage building to the north.
Second floor basement.
Yeah, that's where his lab is. I think they're forcing him to work on the nuclear launching program.
So they'll need him alive until that's done anyway.
Then we better do something before he finishes.
You're right. In case we can't override the detonation code in time, I need to ask him how to destroy Metal Gear.
You plan to take that thing on by yourself, Snake?
It won't be the first time.
Ah,
What's the best way to get to the building where the doctor is being held?
there's a cargo door on the first floor of this building that leads to the north.
What's the security level of the door there?
5. But it's okay. I've got a level 5 card.
Well, I've got to go save the doctor. You should go.
I'm going with you.
No way. You're still too green. I want you to hide somewhere.
I'm not green.
Oh, yes, you are. You pause for just 1 second in front of your enemy and it's all over. Good luck doesn't last forever.
I don't know what happened. I just couldn't pull the trigger right away. I never had any problems in training. But when I thought about my bullets tearing through those soldiers' bodies, I hesitated.
Drama?
Shooting at targets and shooting at living, breathing people are different.
Ever since I was a little girl, I always dreamed about being a soldier. Every day of my life, I've trained my mind and body for the one day when I could finally see some real action. And now,
So what now? You want to quit?
I can't quit. I can't allow myself to quit now.
Listen, Meryl. Everybody feels sick the first time they kill someone. Unfortunately, killing is one of those things that gets easier the more you do it. In a war, all of mankind's worst emotions, worst traits come out. It's easy to forget what a sin is
There's
in the
a lot
middle of a
good
battlefield.
messages in this
But this
game,
isn't a
for
war.
sure.
It's a terrorist action.
You're just a little jumpy from the combat high. The adrenaline in your bloodstream is starting to thin out. Just take it easy.
But I learned all about combat
listen
high
to
at the
it.
academy.
We'll talk about it later. For now, just think about keeping yourself alive.
If I get out of here alive, I'll think about that other stuff.
Okay. Let me try to say this another way. Stay the hell out of my way.
Ooh.
You're a real bastard, just like my uncle said.
Huh. I told you. The real me is no match for the legend.
It looks like you were right. Okay, Snake. I'll be a good girl.
Whoa.
We'll link up after I grab the doctor. Then we'll take care of the detonation code override.
Gotcha. But listen, I know this area better than you. Call me if you have any questions.
Be
She
careful,
doesn't help
okay?
you if you just randomly
After I
call her.
open up the cargo door, I'll contact you.
No, you won't. Okay. Oh yeah, I got the mask. That was kind of way too close for comfort. There is one right there, I knew it. I only have 9 bullets. Well. Is now maybe those doors open?
Snake, don't be so impatient. Settle down. I need a little more time to get the cargo door open. I'll call you when I get the door open. Just wait a little, okay?
There we go.
Snake, I unlocked the cargo door for you.
Thanks. Where are you?
Where I can see ya.
Don't move around too much.
Don't worry, I'm disguised in this enemy uniform.
You won't be for long with the way you walk.
What does that
Whoa.
Nothing.
mean? Listen, Snake, the cargo door is like an airlock. It's equipped with infrared sensors. Be careful.
I hate this
If an
part,
intruder is
the
sensed,
infrared
gas is
sensors.
released.
Sensors
Gas.
and-
Okay, so we'll meet at the nuclear warhead storage building.
Wait, you said you'd stay put and be a good girl.
I changed my mind.
Don't get careless. That's when things always turn sour.
Sorry, but this is the only way I can figure out whether or not I'm cut out to be a soldier. I gotta get my hands dirty.
These guys are professionals. You're gonna get yourself killed.
See you there.
Yeah, Meryl, you can't do that.
Be careful, Snake. That airlock is
I
set with
know.
infrared sensors. You probably can't see them with your naked eyes, but there are infrared beams coming out of the...
She's just annoying sometimes. Oh, let's go. Okay, here we go.
Snake, be careful. There are claymore mines around there. Use a mine detector.
Who are you?
I don't have one.
Just
of them.
call me Deep Throat.
That's not appropriate.
Deep Throat. The informant from the Watergate scandal?
Never mind about that.
You're not using burst transmission. Are you nearby?
Listen, there's a tank in front of your position waiting to ambush you.
Who are you anyway?
One of your fans.
I'm gonna die a lot here, probably. Do I have the mine detector? Or do I do have thermal goggles. I just want these mines. Oh, it's close. I don't know if there's any on the other side, but I'm gonna check. Yeah, there's not.
This is Raven's territory. Snakes don't belong in Alaska. I will not let you pass. Send him a message.
That's bro, you can't do that. That's not possible.
That's right. You belong on the ground. You should crawl on the ground like the snake you are.
Alright, time to die.
Let's fight.
Moments before disaster. That was actually crazy. You could see the missile. This game pisses me off sometimes. I'm not gonna answer you. Crawl. What the hell? Oh good, it went inside. Because that does extra damage. See how you like this.
See how you like this.
Oh good, it went inside. Or not.
Well, boss, I hope you are happy. He got the card.
We'll play with him a little longer.
You would be wise not to underestimate him.
What did you think of him?
He is just as you said. In battle, he is as if possessed by a demon, much like you. I would expect no less.
See? I told you so. But I will kill him.
So, General Ivan, I hear he took your hand as well as your dignity.
Watch your tongue, shaman.
In the language of the Sioux people, Sioux means snake. It is known as an animal to be feared.
Well, Snake is mine now. When I meet him next, I'll take special care of him. Not yet. Don't kill him yet.
He and I will meet again in battle.
Same prediction as always.
Yes, the raven on my head. It thirsts for his blood.
Well, that's where I'm gonna end off this part of the series. See ya either this week or next week. Bye.